said she did. Tell me that it's mine. All I use yeah, yeah. All I use yeah, yeah, she did.
I want to know, why are there children looking at my YouTube? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I am not one of those creators that doesn't care about who is watching my content, because I do care. I do not think children should be on the internet, point blank, period. It wasn't built for them. And the fact that these new parents, particularly the ones that I grew up with that became parents around y'all age, y'all don't think it's weird that we don't hear the saying or the phrase, ask your parents if it's okay to be online anymore? We all grew up watching Dr. Phil, Ricky Lake, Jenny Jones, Dateline, 60 Minutes, and we would see all of these documentaries about these grown adults being taken advantage of. And I do see some of y'all making light of the fact that y'all were talking to adults on chat lines. What the fuck? But you know what? I am capable and able to make sure that that just does not occur on my page. I'm sorry. I was checking out my analytics, and as soon as I peeped that the age range that was watching my content was between the ages of 13 and 17, I said absolutely not. We putting restrictions on it. I was already putting restrictions for age on my content, shorts and long form. But for some reason, y'all are marketing and pushing my content to children. Absolutely not. I don't play them type of games. I don't know what type of stuff YouTube be on, but honestly, y'all just keep your kids off the internet, please. I don't understand the obsession. I don't understand why y'all do that. I don't understand why y'all think it's okay, but it's not, family. It's not, and we need to stop trying to normalize something that was never normal. Kids should not be out there like that, not watching adults, because quite frankly, I am not a child's inspiration. I'm not a child's role model. I'm not here for the kids. That's for Rachel and those people who do the Wiggles. That's for Steve and the Blues Clues crew. That's all they be doing that on Nick Jr. That's what they got kids on Disney Channel for. Not my big grown ass. That's not what's up. I don't like that. I really like this palette. It's literally my favorite one. I've been seeing this girl on Instagram doing her makeup, promoting her makeup line for well over a year and a half. And I said, you know what? I'm tired of looking. I want some too. So I bought it. And what I really love is just the imagery. Look at I love this. This is so cute. I love her packaging. This is a really big palette, y'all. Like, this palette is so huge, and it has a mirror. Okay, you see it. But these are all the colors. This is the cream contour palette. You can do almost anything with it. I just decided to do blush and my concealer, and I'm happy with the results. But yeah, as much as I love kids so much, they don't need to see me. I don't want them around, because I don't tailor nor cater my life to minors in any shape or form. Any teenagers, any tweens, none of that. I do not tailor my content around that. I don't consider children, because I'm an adult and I want to talk about adult things. I did not wait my turn to become an adult just to be worried about doing some shit for some kids. Absolutely not. Cut the damn cameras. Parent your children. The hell? What's wrong with you? Then when adults are, locked in fully with their autonomy and doing what they want to do, the first thing y'all come out your mouth, what about the kids? What about the kids? Girl, fuck them. I don't care about no kids because that's not what I'm on the internet for. I did not grow up to try to do all the things I'm supposed to do, and now I have the freedom to express myself however I please. And y'all worried about me censoring myself for some damn kids. It's not even supposed to be on the internet. Okay. Sounds like y'all need to be getting mad and start campaigning for some third spaces again. But I do know that the Boys and Girls Club is not shut down completely. I do know that. Summer camps are still a real thing. Enrichment programs, church camp, I don't know. Give them some activities. Give them some structure. That's some structure. Okay? But on the internet, watching people on YouTube is not it. Absolutely not. So y'all gonna have to figure that out. Y'all putting me at risk. I'm over here doing real grown woman stuff. Talking about draws, perimenopause, orgasms, and y'all letting y'all kids get on YouTube and do what they want. You don't buy them some books and some boxes and some crayons? Absolutely not. Let's get this white base going because I want to do a cute eyeshadow. I don't know what it is yet. I'm not trying to mess up my eyelashes. I just did them last night. And I don't do clean girl nothing over here. I don't give a fuck about that. I know I'm a clean girl. I wash my ass. The hell? It's coloring. It's supposed to get colorful. Hell, it's a clean girl aesthetic, boy. I swear. Get y'all life together, because goddamn clean girl. Bitch. Blend in the concealer and this white base together because I really don't want anything to have a hard line between it. I like things to have a uniform look, and that ombre gonna do it every single time. Stop getting on my lashes. Wrong with you? I gotta stop in between. It's like some perfectionist shit. I'm just gonna hit it with some mascara. I love this palette so bad. I cut my nail, my actual nails. These are my real nails. So bad when I was peeling a damn orange. Like the little peeler jabbed right in my finger. I thought it cut me. It cut my nail and the damn nail polish. Yes, my top is purple, but you see me putting on blue eyeshadow. Does it look like I give a fuck? Cause I don't. Do not be afraid to just keep packing that color on until you see it. Cause that's what I be doing. I cannot look at this show and do this makeup at the same time. But I'ma try it anyway. Add a darker blue in the middle to give it some dimension. And I really just want to look pretty. I want some blue today. I just really love blue. Blue is so cute. Especially if you have brown eyes. This is what makeup is, the whole bunch of pet, you know? So when people say, oh, I can't do makeup, it's because, I think it's because people just don't have the creativity and the patience. Because it takes time. I'm going to make a blue waterline using some white eyeshadow, white cream eyeshadow, and then I'm going to line the under part of my eye. See if that works. My birthday is in less than 72 hours. I deserve a fucking parade or some shit. That's just how I feel. I feel like I deserve something big. Something bang. Beyonce. You know what I'm saying? Because it's celebration of my life. Duh. Cannot use a lot of foundation because I haven't bought my summer color yet. And I've been tanning like crazy since I've been out here. Make no mistake about it though, I have been wearing my sunscreen on my face and neck. Gotta protect your skin from the sun, child. Are you crazy? I absolutely love this bronzer. I can put it almost anywhere and use it for my face framing, and it just always comes out fire. Like, I don't have any other plans today other than just looking pretty, eating snacks, and watching my favorite shows. I recently enrolled in some free business courses to help me become a better salesperson, get more knowledge on what's going on in real time, if you will, currently in the business world. And as someone that is a independent business owner who is growing rapidly, I might add, I think it was time for me to start getting into some courses so I can have some knowledge and I don't have to depend on so many people to help me or show me how to run my own shit. Every time I get this damn palette, I hit pan. Every single time. I need to start buying too. I said I was gonna put mascara on my lashes because they need to be black, not everything but. I don't need too much, just to take care of those tips. I know people have been saying if you have brown eyes, get brown mascara, and I'm gonna get there. I just really like black, child. Blush. Just a little bit, Asia. Yes, I'm putting it while my skin is still kind of damp because I planned on it blending out. Just follow me. Let's blend. I'm really upset at e.l.f. because, like, y'all literally have some of the best brushes in the industry that's not expensive, like the best affordable products, only for y'all to start doing crazy stuff. Like, why, y'all? Why? This is why I stick to small. This is why I stick to small businesses, because you can't trust them. You can't trust them. You can't trust them. I'm not doing no highlighter. I simply do not feel like it. But this pink powder is gonna do it every single time. Like, I'm obsessed. Danessa, I'm obsessed. I never really considered how much I would like pink-based products and how complimentary they would be, being a chocolatey girl, being a dark-skinned girl, but y'all cracked the code, hun, because this powder is tea. Now it is time for the best part, the lip. I don't overdraw, but I put my lip liner on there like very, 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 very edge of my lip. I have a natural lip liner anyway.
Yeah, you right, Ace. So where little shorty at that I told you to have out here? I told you. Yeah, somebody came through with a new connect. Man, who the fuck is the new connect? Ace, I don't know who the new connect is. You don't know shit. Well, I need you to find out who the fuck the new connect is. I'm not playing with you, T. Get that name from me, alright? I want you to know you're beautiful.
Period, chestnut. I'm gonna use a little bit of this, even though this isn't brown. It's a rosy glow. I just really want it not to only be brown, but have a nice red tint. We just gonna see if it works.
Thank you so much for coming over. Like, I really appreciate it.
Woo! Gotta let that dry. Blending this out while we wait. I baked long enough. Of quote unquote.
So they were talking, and I'm just like wishing the best for them right now.
Ooh.
Did you talk to the detectives? Wasn't there some type of tape or something?
So, in the beginning, when I was I didn't know what was going on. I was still supporting him. I found there, but
Happy, and I think
I stopped answering the phone.
it is ready to heal in a few seconds. I don't know yet, but it is starting to kind of like get that little shiny look, like it's dry. I think it's gonna work. It gets off my finger. Ooh, it did work. Add a little bit more lip liner just to give it a little bit more depth. There it went. Oh well. NYX, y'all stuff is hard. And this is not an old liner. Color feel harder than the damn wood it's surrounded by. Little bit of color pop. It's like a reddish brown, but it's chocolatier cream. But I wanted to be dark. So, you know. Yeah, I want it to be brown.
So bad after all.
It's brown. Yes, I'm gonna add something in the middle. Of course I am. Be crazy if I didn't. This one's cool, but
Later on the day, you gotta come. I ain't bet. I'll be there.
let me recorrect this. Let's try this again. Now we can see the pink.
Lisa? No, I'm not here for that. I'm here for my daughter's missing. Damn, that's crazy. No, I ain't here. Well, you do see you just let her know I'm looking for her? I really love her. Like, I really love her. And I just want to give her a hug.
There we go. One more time.
Yeah, that's okay. Sad thing.
Now, the mother.
Somebody called for a shooter? What's up, man? What's going on with you? Man, trying to get this block back together and shit.
I was holding my breath. All right, and I'm done. And yes, I changed into a robe because I don't have nothing to do, child. What you thought this was? This is In the House Glam, duh.